All right, so Nicole's in the other room. I found a 350Z online. I'm gonna go try to buy it. Woo! All right, so let's talk out here while she is getting ready. She has no idea what we're doing. But as you guys know, I've been trying to get her to learn how to drift in the Camaro, but she just doesn't want to do it because of how much money I have in the car. And obviously, she can't really drift and blink. So I found a 350Z. Let me show you guys. Found this gem of a car. But it's manual, runs and drives as far as I know. It's about 30 minutes from here, so we're gonna go drive and check it out. But Nicole has no idea, so let's keep it that way until we get there. Where are we going?
Tell me.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Tell me.
It's a nice hand you got.
Thank you.
Alright, so it's a 26-minute drive. Let's see if the car has any oil temp in it. It's another cold day in Florida. Yeah, I'm good with that. So 55, 56-ish. See if it'll focus. Let's get to the mystery land. Some doggers. Doggers like the sauce. Why do you always listen to Justin Bieber?
That's you.
Gosh. Do you have that yummy yummy? Alright, we made it. So what's happening?
I have no idea.
We're here. Let's get to it. I'm gonna need you to bargain this, okay?
What is it?
Just get a good deal.
Are we getting wheels?
We're getting wheels. We're getting a good deal. Are you confused? So you said you wanted a cheaper drift car to learn in. So 350Z.
Get me one.
Yeah. What do you think?
I love you.
Love you too. Wrap it purple or blue? Alright, so definitely getting rid of the spoiler. So what do you think?
You are insane.
So the car drives pretty freaking well. I'm gonna go ahead and switch and let her drive now. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and switch over. This clutch is super easy to drive in comparison to my car.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it needs some work, but what do you think?
You're too amazing.
Alright, go ahead and get in there. Let's see how she feels for you. Yeah. And we're definitely getting it wrapped first thing.
My legs don't reach.
You're all the way up?
I'm all the way up.
Pull it again.
Oh, never mind.
Is that good?
There, maybe.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so when you're ready, put this down. You don't need a buckle, we're not going too far.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it, baby. First gear. You got this.
Yeah.
You know how to drive?
Not really.
You do.
Not really. What do I need to get it to?
Nothing. Just give it a little bit of gas and then go for it. Yep. See? What you think? Alright, second gear.
Wait, what am I doing?
Second gear and just go straight.
To where?
Just go straight, just drive. Feel the car out. There you go.
You were crazy though. We'll see if we get a good deal.
Yeah. Just roll through the stop sign. There's nobody here. Feel that power? And you just pull right in front of the Camaro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely don't hit it though. Alright, I think she freaking likes it. Let's see if we can work out a deal. Alright, we just left the bank. This is for you, baby. And my baby gets a drift car. Woo! Whip it. Oh, mother of God! Low problems. Time to teach you drifting. Woo! Alright, we are back to pick up the Z. Make sure it's still there. I don't see any extra cars, so I think we're okay. Still there. All right, so got your car, got the title. First drift car. And obviously we have to go test it out.
Of course.
What's the holdup?
I don't know where I'm going. Alright, so I'm leading the way?
Yes, because you have no tag. You're riding dirty right now.
That's why I wanted my phone so I can put on maps.
You are riding dirty. There she goes, boys and girls. Oh, she's out of control. She's out of control. Alright, so she's getting some practice right now. I might do some drifting on this spot too. I hate drifting stock 350Zs. Colt had a stock 350Z at one point, and I had the worst time trying to link the compound. That is perfect, baby. Yes. So I'm getting her used to the friction zone of the clutch. That was perfect. So much better, right? So once you understand the feel of the friction zone of the clutch, it's so much easier to do. Rev the car up, dump the clutch, and floor it. So rev limiter 100%. And when you get to like that first cone, then go ahead and push the clutch in and get on the brake. Okay?
This poor car isn't even gonna make it home.
That's fine. We're here for a good time, not a long time. So rev it up. Remember, drop the clutch and floor it. Floor it, drop the clutch and floor it. Up, try again, try again. Yeah. All right. What gangster's been leaning back in here? You and your lean back. I should buckle, but YOLO.
I wasn't going to.
See what it does. Stock trim. Oh, it's one wheel peeling, so we're gonna have to go this way. Oh, it's terrible. Oh, one wheel peel is terrible. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, one wheel peel is horrible. It's so bad. We're gonna weld this dude. Oh, that's funny. All right, let's see if we can. some smoke show though. This car is gonna be so much fun when we weld the diff, get some angle, and that's pretty much it, honestly. You're on camera again.
No.
So what do you think?
It's not bad. If I barely touch it though, RPMs are like 5,000, 6,000.
Why is that?
I have a lead foot.
No, it wants the sauce. But yes, you also have a lead foot. All right. Driveway's getting a little packed. Got the Camaro right there. I need to clean out the garage. We're probably gonna put the Z and the Camaro in the garage.
Why am I over here?
Make me some chicken. Just kidding. So, were you surprised?
Yeah, I was. I had no idea. I looked and I saw one tire and I was like, that can't be it.
Is that how you expected the morning to go?
No, not at all.
Happy early birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Love you too.
I just realized I just brought out the chicken and mozz in the view.
We got some chicken and mozz up in this. Chicken and mozz. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more. See you next time.